Yo, what's going on, Ink Squad? Welcome back to another house tour. And today, in this video, we're going to be showing you the house tour. Is it going to be awesome? Okay, I'm going to do dizzy now. So guys, first of all, we're going to do the bottom floor and I'll see you guys upstairs. So first of all, this is my gaming room. There's my TV. And a big mess. Guys, I got this on my 8th birthday. Oh yeah, Mighty Morphin Megaloid, UKG. I just got lots of toys. I'm getting more and more cool stuff for Christmas. And here is my giant lounge. I know, it's incredible. And this is what I got for my 10th birthday. Darth Vader's castle is super cool. I love it. Yeah. Okay. I've got another big TV. It's got an Apple box. Yeah, it's pretty good. Right now, I'm gonna rush into the study. I also do videos in here. Here you go. Yep. Here's my computer that I did some videos on Minecraft. Well, you guys may have noticed I used to sit in. I used to do videos there. So next, here's my kitchen.
Ooh, yes, no.
Yeah, that's my mum.
No, I'm not doing that, but yes.
Everyone talking on the phone. Here we have a utility room, and the sun is so bright. So now we're going to head upstairs. And, oh God, my bad. That was never, oh man, oh no! Oh my God, what a collision. Man, my bad, sorry guys. Right, here we go. Right, here's our little hallway. There is our loft where we get our Christmas stuff from. And here is my bedroom. Oh guys, I really don't want to say it, but my dad has left. It's really sad. He left on the 8th of March 2019. I know, it's really sad, isn't it? So it's just me and my mum now. Oh, my sister's coming home soon. She is 21! Yeah, so I'm scared sometimes while I sit in my mum's bedroom. But this is my proper bedroom. Here you go. I've got also Build-A-Bear Teddy. And I went to see Dirty DC in Weymouth. Here's my guitar. You guys might have recognised it. Hold on. You guys might have recognised it when I did Phantom. And that was my second video I did. Got a nice bedroom. Yeah, I've got lots of posters, because I love posters. Yeah, I've got a clock, I've got lots of stuff. Moving on to my sister's bedroom. I know. Look at this guy. Look at that giant lamp. Look at it. So beautiful. So now we have nice fancy pictures. Yeah, they're quite cool. There's me at Christmas. Oh wait, here it is. Here. Here we go. There it is. There it is, guys. That's me. Man. Also, guys, this is the picture when it snowed. There it is. There it is. So my sister's done lots of stuff, as you guys can see. She's got a weird bed. I know. Moving on to our very tiny gym. I know, small, right? This used to be my bedroom. A really small bedroom. So you know where my bedroom was? This used to be the gym. But we switched it around so I can have a bigger bed. Moving on to the engine room. This is where I like to play games. I've got lots of books. lots of stuff. We might do a video in the loft one day. But for now on, guys, make sure to subscribe if you do like this video or not, and comment down below if my new house is good. So just comment down below. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification, and flip her neck. Smash that like button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.